When should I tell the kids we're getting a divorce? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law. This is a question that came up a couple of weeks ago. I met with a lady who is moving toward divorce, and she's very concerned about the timing of informing her children that this is taking place. So she has children that are of different ages. One is a teen, one is a little bit younger, and she also has a little one. And so she wants to make sure that the timing is right, in the sense that she wants to do it early enough that they are not caught by surprise, but not too early where it's going to inflict more pain, cause more anxiety than is necessary. So that got me thinking about what the proper way is of approaching this. And I believe that, first of all, in many cases, it makes sense to bring on board a quality psychologist to work with the children through this process. And so some of you might be saying, well, my kids are not crazy. My kids don't have any issues. They're not going to need that. But especially when it's a higher conflict situation, or you think that it's something that your child might struggle with, which is very common, right? I mean, it's not easy for children to go through this. And so I think it's best to err on the side of caution, bring on a mental health professional who's going to just talk to the kids. And it's something that you can present to the children as, well, mommy or daddy is going to do it too. It helps to talk to other people about this. They have good suggestions about how we think about it and deal with it. We often suggest counseling for our clients too. So that's number one, is think about whether it makes sense to put some counseling in place to help the child through the process. Connected to that, when you're thinking about the timing and when exactly you should tell the children, I would say you want to balance between letting them know soon enough that a divorce is happening, so that there aren't either major changes happening that are not explained to them, or that they hear it from someone else, right? And so you want to be the first person to sit down with your children to tell them this. And so you do not want to wait until there are major shifts going on that are going to cause some anxiety, or that they're going to hear it from another person. But you also want to wait until there is at least a pretty strong probability that it's going to happen, right? So you don't want to inflict unnecessary suffering and cause them anxiety if you're just thinking about it, you're on the fence, but you're not sure it's going to happen. And so I think the best way to think about this is when there's a probability that it's going to happen, and there are events coming up that would lead the child to suspect that something's going on because there are major changes, or the child might hear it from another individual. And so at that point, you need to tell the child, and preferably you have some counseling in place and an experienced, reliable professional who can help the child through it. If you have any questions about this, you can call us 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our channel and share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. And you can also find us on social media at Farias Family Law. Thank you. Have a good day.